better at this. YouTube, know what time it is? It is what we call wheelie practicing time. I haven't practiced wheelies in a long time, so I've been getting worse and worse. Because at the end of the day, practice does make perfect. So, if you did, you gotta practice your wheelies. That way when you do them, scary right here. There's too much gravel. Today's video, where's he staring, bro? You better not snitch. What happened? You want me to do one? I got a spectator. Hold up, I got you. Is that a cop over there or something? There's too many people over here, bro. They're gonna say something, right? Watch them say something. For sure, I'm letting go of the gas too quick. That's like for sure. I need to hold the gas. Yeah, I need to hold it. They call the cop around here. Practicing our wheelies. I need to find a better road to do them at. Find another empty parking lot. Let me see. Go this way. But yeah, we're gonna keep practicing them. Right now, I'm at a good point. I just need to do the 12 to 6, to be honest. And I'm going to do it. Well, I'm going to practice it until I get it done. I'm going to get it done. Watch this. Oh, actually, fuck it, let me go here. property is under surveillance. You're being recorded. Oh, what is that? There's a Tesla over here now? What? No way, bro. This is where I went to high school, bro. Wow, the memories. Tesla was not there. Tesla was not even a thing when I went to high school, by the way. Tesla wasn't a thing. I need to find another parking spot. Empty parking lot, empty parking lot. I don't know where. This is why I need to explore. Back to Wheelie, and let's see if in here I could pop something on. Duck friends, people who didn't like that I made them get out the road with my bike bleeding loud. Damn, there's a lot of ducks there. Back to where I was. I'm swear that's 12 to 12. That has to be. I'm picking this thing up. I feel like if I don't hit the rear brake, I'm gonna fall. Right here, I didn't see. Hold on. Yeah, I need to get way better at this. That shit went sideways there. Oh wait, the zoo. Oh no, there's probably people at the zoo though. Yeah. I went sideways there, but I still had my foot on the peg, so I wasn't that scared. I was just like an off-balance wheelie. I need keep bringing it up, keep bringing it up, keep bringing it up, and then I need bring it up to a spot where I let go of the gas and the bike rolls. felt the dip there, so I hit the rear brake and it brought me back. But that's the dip you gotta reach. I'm getting lower and lower.